Total profit $5,544. The AI delivered steady returns during the backtest, showcasing its profit-generating capability. To further validate its reliability, we conducted a backtest using BTC-USD pair with timeframe H for starting deposit $1,000. FX Crow is offering it for just $25, an unbeatable deal for serious traders looking to gain an edge. Welcome to my channel. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Trading carries risk. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Today, we're thrilled to introduce Three Little Birds MT4 V13.69 nitrogen monoxide DLL, a powerful, fully automated expert advisor built for traders who demand consistent results across a wide range of market conditions. The Infinity AO is specifically designed to trade with multiple pair, delivering its best performance on the M15 timeframe for fast, accurate, and efficient execution. To ensure optimal performance and risk control, we recommend a minimum deposit of $10,000. While this premium tool is regularly priced at $6,939. FX Crow is offering it for just $25, an unbeatable deal for serious traders looking to gain an edge. The AI is currently running live, and we're providing full transparency by showcasing its setup configuration and input parameters so you can see exactly how it operates before you begin. To further validate its reliability, we conducted a backtest using BTC-USD pair with timeframe H for starting deposit $1,000. From start to finish, this AI dominated the market with solid execution, bulletproof risk control, and sniper-accurate timing. No market turbulence too strong. This AI thrived under extreme volatility and rapid trend changes. Total profit $5,544. The AI delivered steady returns during the backtest, showcasing its profit-generating capability. Take control of your trades. Visit our website and secure your copy of Three Little Birds MT4 V13.69 nitrogen monoxide DLL today. Thanks for watching.